Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Authenticator for Coinbase. First, ensure you have both your mobile device with the Authenticator app installed and a computer ready to access your Coinbase account. This two-factor authentication method significantly enhances your account's protection against unauthorized access. We'll walk through each step to get you secured quickly and efficiently, making your digital assets safer. To begin, open your web browser and log into your Coinbase account. Once logged in, find your profile settings, usually accessible from the top right corner. From there, navigate to the Security section. Within the Security options, you'll see a setting for two-step verification or Authenticator app. Click on this to proceed with the setup. Now, grab your mobile device and open the Google Authenticator app. Look for a plus sign or an Add Account option, usually in the bottom right corner. Coinbase will display a unique QR code on your computer screen. Use your phone's camera to scan this code. If scanning isn't possible, you can manually enter the provided setup key into the Authenticator app instead. After scanning the QR code or entering the key, your Authenticator app will immediately generate a 6-digit, time-sensitive code. Enter this code into the designated field on your Coinbase screen. Confirm the setup to finalize the process and enable two-factor authentication. Remember to save any provided recovery codes in a secure, offline place. They are crucial if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.